In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can check your call history on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to just click this call icon on the bottom left corner. That's your call app. Click it and it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, you'll see these three options on the bottom that says keypad, contacts, and calls. To check your call history, you simply have to click this calls icon over here on the bottom left corner, and it's going to show you your call history. Now, if you want your call history to be saved and signed to your iCloud account, what you have to do is go to settings and then click your profile icon on the top. And here you have to go to iCloud by clicking this iCloud option. And then you have to scroll through and click see all. And then you have to find this option that says phone and FaceTime and toggle it on by clicking over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your call history on iPhone for more than 6 months. And that's how you do it.